Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 7, 2022, one star Sudoku. Third row, 4 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 1, 2. First grade, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 8. 6th row, 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade and 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column J, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 9, 8. 6th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will be another 2 cells. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 4, 3. 5th row, column E, we have 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 6. Column F, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Second row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second kid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column G we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.